Hi everyone, it's Sarah and welcome to gmailfiend where you can find all the tutorials you need in optimizing your Gmail account. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another tutorial which is how to find all emails at once from a specific sender. But first, don't forget to check our YouTube account to check all the tutorials that you might need, and also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course, the first thing that you'll need to do is log into your Gmail account and open your mail. Then, find the specific email sender that you'd want to see all of the emails from. Like for example, I'll be choosing CorrelateJS for this video. So what you'll need to do is select the email or just click the right click button from your mouse and then click this Find Emails from CorrelateJS. There you have it. All the emails sent by CorrelateJS will be shown into your desktop. Everything. So there you have it. You can see everything that is sent by the specific email sender that you want to see. If you like this video, please watch us for more, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Bye!